guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for joining me for a midweek CVS haul, and this haul actually turned out very good. If you have not checked out the deal video I posted on Sunday, make sure you check it out because you can find more deals there. And if this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you, and I would also like to have you as a part of this channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the description box. And I always attach a Google Doc in case you need to print it out and take it to the store with you. The first deal I'll be doing this week will be on Maybelline Cosmetics. It's on a tier deal this week of buy 2 get $5 back, or you buy 3 you get $8 back. This deal doesn't track, so you have to do it in one single transaction. I'll be picking up the Maybelline matte lipstick priced at $7.99 and also the Fit Me blush priced at $6.79. These two items will come up to $14.78. I wanted to reach this amount because I have a 3 of 15 Maybelline CRT that I'll be adding to this. Everybody received a $3 digital coupon that will be attaching to the lipstick. And we all received another $3 instant CRT for Maybelline or L'Oreal Cosmetics. I have another $3 instant CRT that will also work with this. With the CRTs and the coupon, it will bring my total down to $2.78. I will pay that and get $5 back, making these two items free and a $2.22 money maker. I'm going to go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I checked out and I'm back with my receipt, and on my receipt you can see that I added 2 Cheerios to this transaction because of the extra care box I wanted to use. The Cheerios were on sale for $1.99, and using the $1 off 2 coupon that we have in our app, it brought it down to $2.98, and I will submit my receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each one of them, making each box just 99 cents. Let's see how all the coupons are applied. The first $3 you're looking at is from the digital coupon that we got from Maybelline Lips. And the second one is the $1 for the General Mills cereal, one of 2 boxes. And I have 2 $3 instant CRT that applied as well. And the third $3 off 15 Maybelline CRT came off as well. Although the Maybelline items I picked was $14.78, it's still within the 98% rule. That's why I'm able to use the 3 of 15 Maybelline CRT, and I got my $5 back, and I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back 50 cents on each box of the Cheerios, making this transaction free. The next deal I'll be picking up will be on Colgate. It's on sale for $4.99. That's the toothbrush and the mouthwash, but I'll be picking up 4 of the toothbrushes because this is a limit of 2. It's on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back. So if I max it, I'll be getting $10 back. These 4 items will bring it up to $19.96. I have this 75 cents coupon I got from Colgate.com, and we all received a 5 of 3 digital coupon that will apply as well. I have a 3 of 18 Colgate CRT. With the coupons and the CRT, it will bring it down to $11.21, and I'll get $10 back, making all these 4 items $1.21 or 30 cents each. But I will not be doing it with the 3 of 18 because I have a 10 of 17 purchase CRT, so I think it will be a better deal for me if I use it with the 10 of 70. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Dove Dry Spray. It's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2 you get $2 back. Picking up 2 of the Dove Dry Spray priced at $9.99. One will be full price and the second one will be $5. I have this buy 1 get 1 free coupon that we got from the 7/16 savings set. It's going to take off $7.99 max. That will bring it down to $7, and I'll get $2 back, making both items $5 or $2.50 each. The next deal is on CoverGirl. It's not tagged at my store when I took this video, but it's on the deal of buy 3 get $9 back. I'll be picking 2 of this brow pencil priced at $5.79, and I added 1 of the Perfect Blend pencil priced at $4.99. My store have only 1. These 3 items will come up to $16.57. And I'll be using this $3 coupon that we got from the 7-9 savings set. It expired on the 7/22, but I can still use it. It will bring it down to $7.57, and I'll get $9 back, making all 3 items free and a $1.43 money maker. The next deal is on Garnier Fruities. It's on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Limit of 1. I will be picking up 2 items, and 2 of them will be $8, and everybody received a 3 off 2 digital coupon. And this 3 off 2 coupon you're looking at right here, I got this from coupons.com. Both will double dip and take off $6, leaving me to pay $2 and get $2 back, making both items free. The next deal is on whole blend. It's on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. It's the same thing as the Garnier Fruities, but they are 2 different deals, so you can do both. I'll be using a 3 off 2 digital coupon that we all received, and another 3 off 2 paper coupon I got from coupons.com that will double dip and take off 6, leaving me to pay $2 and get $2 back, making both items free. I'm still not at 70 yet, so I'll be adding another deal that is not giving back any extra care box. It will be on the General Mills cereal, but this time I'll be picking up Lucky Charms. I'll pick up 2, and these 2 items will come up to $3.98. Then I'll using the $1 off 2 digital coupon I have in my app will bring it down to $2.98, and I have a $1.50 back when I buy 2, and that will end up making both items just $1.48 or 74 cents each. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction. Let me go check out, and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt, and I picked up all the items I showed you guys, and everything worked out like expected. All my coupons came off, the BOGO coupon came off, and also my 10 off 70 came off as well. I ended up using $22 extra care box to pay for this, paid $3 out of pocket, and I got back $10 for doing the Colgate toothbrush 2 times, $2 back for the whole blend, $2 back for the Garnier Fruities, $2 back for buying the Dove dry spray, and a $9 back for doing the CoverGirl, buying 3 of the CoverGirl items. And I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta to get back $1.50 for buying 2 of the Lucky Charms. This whole transaction ended up being free and a $1.50 money maker because I used $25 to pay for this whole item, and I got back $25 in extra care box. The last transaction I did today was on spend $15, get $5 back on any caliber stationery, and this is a limit of 1. I picked up the Caliber mechanical pencil, 30 counts, priced at $8.99, and I also picked up the highlighter, priced at $3.39. To get to 15, I picked up the small binder clips, priced at $2.89. These 3 items will come up to $15.27, and I don't have any coupon for this, but I have a 5 off 15 caliber CRT that will apply to this, and that will bring it down to $10.27, and I'll get $5 back, making all 3 items $5.27 or $1.76 each. Let me go check out, and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt, and this was a very simple, quick transaction because all I needed to use was the 5 off 15 caliber CRT, use $10.09 extra care box to pay for this, pay just 18 cents out of pocket, and I got my $5 back. Thank you all for joining me, and thank you all for your continued support, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.